Featured in this episode of Vestil, we've got it. Don't have the space for a forklift but need to lift heavy loads? Vestil's Hand Winch Lift Trucks with a counterbalance design allow users to lift heavy materials with a low profile. Vestil's Counterbalance lift trucks provide heavy lifting capability without having the worry of tipping. The compact lift is operated by a hand crank winch that features a reversible handle and a hold-down device for securing the carriage during transport. These portable lifts are great for hundreds of applications, which could include lifting material to and from shelves, moving office equipment, and installing appliances. The counterbalance design features adjustable legs. A-lift models ending with HP and EHP suffixes have extended height capabilities. These units have a two-stage mast system and a telescoping inner mast frame, giving the user the ability to extend the forks above the height of the first mast. Carry heavy loads with Vestil's Hand Winch Lift Trucks.
Hey, Alec Trine here from Vestil Manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed the video. While you're here, why not subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on these other platforms for updates, videos, and announcements from Vestil. For more information about us and our products, visit Vestil.com.
We're Vestil Manufacturing. We've got it.